Welcome to our review. Today, we're diving into the EGO Power Plus LM2114SP Self-Propelled Electric Lawn Mower. We found this innovative product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The EGO Power Plus LM2114SP is not just any lawn mower, it's a self-propelled, cordless electric mower that promises to revolutionize your lawn care. With a 21-inch cutting deck, it offers a perfect balance of size and maneuverability, making it suitable for various yard sizes, from small suburban lawns to larger properties. One of the standout features of this mower is its powerful LM2114SP motor, which delivers up to 6.0 ft-lbs of cutting torque. This means it can tackle tough grass and weeds with ease, outperforming many gas-powered mowers on the market. And, with the included 56V 6.0 Ah lithium battery, you can achieve up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's more than enough time to mow an average-sized lawn without interruption. Another great feature is the dual toggle handle set, allowing you to engage the self-propel system with either hand. This design provides added convenience and flexibility, making it easier to navigate around obstacles and tight corners. Plus, the high-efficiency brushless motor minimizes vibration, ensuring a smoother mowing experience and enhancing the mower's durability over time. When it comes to cutting height, the LM2114SP provides 7 different height adjustments ranging from 1.25 to 4 inches. This versatility allows you to customize your mowing height based on the type of grass and the look you want for your lawn. Additionally, it offers a 3-in-1 functionality. You can mulch, bag, or side discharge your grass clippings, giving you options based on your preferences and yard care routine. But that's not all. This package also includes an extra high-lift bagging blade, designed to improve suction for bagging and significantly reduce the amount of grass left behind. Just keep in mind that the nuts and bolts for this extra blade are sold separately, but the genuine EGO parts ensure compatibility, quality, and performance. So, who is this mower suitable for? If you're someone who values convenience, efficiency, and environmental